Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the best gear and gadgets on the market. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best wireless low-latency gaming headset available right now, the WESEARY wireless gaming headset. Whether you're battling it out on PS5 or exploring fantasy worlds on your PC, this headset promises premium sound, comfort, and versatility at a budget-friendly price. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First up, let's talk about the audio. The WESEARY headset features high-definition dynamic drivers that deliver intense 3D stereo sound. That means whether it's the faint crunch of footsteps sneaking up behind you or the thunderous boom of an explosion, you hear it all, crisp, detailed, and immersive. This headset isn't just about volume, it's about accuracy. You can literally feel the difference when you're deep in a match, giving you that competitive edge in fast-paced games where sound cues mean survival. Now, one of the coolest things about the WESEARY headset is how versatile it is. With dual connectivity options, 2.4 GHz wireless dongle and Bluetooth 5.4, you can seamlessly switch between your PS5, PS4, Nintendo Switch, PC, Mac, laptop, and even mobile devices. Just a heads up though, Bluetooth doesn't work with PS4 or PS5, and the mic won't function with the Switch. But outside of that, it's an all-in-one solution that keeps you connected, no matter what you're gaming on. Let's talk latency, or more specifically, the lack of it. The WESEARY headset boasts ultra-low latency audio, just 20 milliseconds via the dongle, and under 48 milliseconds in Bluetooth mode. What does that mean for you? No lag between the action and the sound. You shoot, you hear it instantly. You move, your audio follows precisely. That synchronization makes a huge difference, especially in competitive multiplayer games where every millisecond matters. Communication is key in any team-based game, and WESEARY doesn't disappoint. The ENC omnidirectional microphone rotates 360 degrees and is equipped with advanced environmental noise cancellation. That means your teammates hear your voice, not your keyboard clacks or background fan. Plus, there's a single-click mute function that gives you total control mid-game. Whether you're barking orders in a raid or just chatting in a lobby, your voice comes through loud and clear. Comfort is often overlooked, but not here. This headset is built for long-haul gaming sessions. The adjustable headband ensures a snug fit for all head sizes, and the breathable earmuffs offer solid noise isolation without heating you up. Even the fabric is moisture-wicking to keep things cool and dry. With the built-in 900 mAh battery, you get up to 35 hours of gameplay with the LEDs on, and up to 45 hours without. Charging is quick too. Just 2 hours via USB-C. And when it's time to pack up, the foldable, lightweight design makes this headset super portable. It's ideal for gamers on the go, whether you're commuting, traveling, or just storing it in your backpack. With immersive audio, near-instant responsiveness, wide compatibility, and all-day comfort, it checks every box for gamers at any level. And with a price point that won't break the bank, it's easily one of the best value-for-money wireless gaming headsets out there right now. That's it for today's breakdown. If you want more hands-on reviews of the latest gaming gear, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell. This is Product Critique. See you in the next one.